Bonang Matheba reveals who annoys her. Media personality Bonang Matheba is one of South Africa's sweetest and most loved celebrities. It is no secret that mother is blessed with a good heart, but sometimes when people irk her, she is quick to draw the line and speak her mind out. A Twitter user recently wrote that Minister of Arts and Culture Nathi Mthethwa annoys him. Supporting him, Bonang replied and said, "Me too, very much." Minister Nathi Mthethwa caught wind of the tweet and pleaded with Bonang and the tweet to share their concerns on the platform. "We don't know why Bonang is annoyed by the minister, but a lot of artists have been complaining about his department since the lockdown period started, as some creative practitioners have been unable to make money due to events and concerts being cancelled.